jumped right in with a suggestion. Let's turn those Jews into slaves, he said. They'll work so hard, they won't have any energy left to have more children. Right then, Paro's worried look left his face. You're right, he said. Right. And he forced the Jews to become slaves to the Egyptian people. But the Jews didn't stop having children. In fact, they actually had more than before. Left with no choice, Paro tried a new plan. He called to his palace Yocheved and Miriam, the mother and daughter, who would help the Jewish women when they were giving birth to their new babies. Listen, he told them, right when they appeared before him, you must stop helping the Jewish women have their babies. Without your help, there will be no Jewish babies left.
Left.
Of course, Yocheved and Miriam didn't listen to Paro. After they left his palace, they continued to help the Jewish women with their babies, running left and right. Right
No.
and left.
Oh, yes.
So take care of all the newborn girls and boys.